Let's see how to use Wix Bookings for appointments. So in your website, we're going to click this catalog right here and then booking services. Now in the booking services, AI loads something about your website. It's a graphic designer website, so it loads some booking services, and it also have group trainings, online meetings, consultation. Here, it's already been a template here, or you can start from scratch. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pick something from this to book a service. So let's say it's just online meeting. You can change, you can edit the image, you can remove it and change it for another one. You can name your booking services here. Like for example, this one is an online meeting. You can have a quick intro to your service. You can also have a description. You can also have your description using AI. AI can also help you with that. And the duration, like how many minutes or an hour. 1 hour, you can customize it. So let's just have this 1 hour. And the buffer time, you can also edit this. Yeah, you can add some time for each session to create short breaks. You can also choose how clients can pay for this service, like per session with a plan or per session with a plan. So let's say it's just per session, and you can customize price. You can have a fixed price. You can have it for free, or you can have varied price, like for adults or for children, whatever. You can have this, you can add variations, but let's say it's just a fixed price for like 100. Let's have 100 as an amount. Then you can have these payment preferences, like entire amount online, entire amount in person, amount either online or in person, or you can have online deposit and the rest in person. So let's just have it entire amount online. Let's just say this is an online service and our clients are somehow far from us. Now we can have this location. We can edit location here. To edit your location, we just save and continue. And then we can edit a location. You can have a business location. You can add a location here. If you have a location for meetups, you can also custom location here, like it's an online meetup. Just like what I said, that this is an online meetup, so let's choose this. You can also have a client's place. Clients will add their location when they book. So I'm just going to have this online meetup, and then it'll save. There. And then you can also add some video conference and assign staff, of course. You can assign staff, you can create staff member, new staff member, the names. You can add names here for your customers or clients to know your staffs will be assigned for these meetings or these bookings, these services you offer. Now, you can add a cover image, of course. You can also add cover image or service gallery. And now if you're done, you can click save. Once it's saved, we can now go to the appointment. How to do it? Let's just go to this booking calendar here. Let's press this. And then here in the calendar, let's just say that you would like your services to be in this Monday, February 17. You can press this and we can have it by maybe 10 to 11. You just drag to 11 a.m. and then we'll set an appointment. And start typing a client name here. Let's just have someone randomly. Have someone random. This is just random. You can add the contact of your client, like a client for this appointment. Then you can have an email Like example, we have curly@gmail.com. You can have a random number. Okay, let's just have that random number right there. Then you click continue. And then so you can select your service. For example, you have that many services you can choose. But for now, we have only one. So this one. And then you can add another service or you can also repeat it. You can book and send the pay link, or you can also book it. So let's just click this book. And there we have it. We can see in here now the online meeting. When we press this, it says that it's booked but not yet paid. It's an online meetup on Monday, February 17 at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And now we can also proceed collecting some payments. Here you can charge with PayLink or charge with an invoice. Then you can also mark as paid. Then that's it. That's how to use Wix Bookings for appointments. See you soon.